channel. It's been a while since I did some really exciting haul videos for you guys, so do expect quite a few of them this month. I am obviously starting off this month with my Zivame haul video, but before I get into the video, I do want to ask you guys and request you to go follow me on my Instagram handle. I will mention it on the screen somewhere. A lot of my outfit details you will find out there. I do post outfit ideas and outfit inspirations quite consistently over there, so you might want to check that out. In fact, all the outfits that I wear in my YouTube videos like this one, you will find the details there with exact product codes. So I think that'll be super helpful for you guys, so make sure you follow me there as well. So now starting off with the Zivame haul. In fact, I chose to begin the month with the Zivame haul because they have their grand lingerie festival starting on the 10th of March at 8 p.m. with crazy discounts on their website, up to 70% off. And not just that, they also have cash on delivery, they have free shipping, and they also make it super easy for you with their 15-day return policy. In fact, that is not it. You also can use my coupon code Ishita Zivame for an extra 10% off on your order. So I thought this would be genuinely the best time for you guys to shop from Zivame, and my haul may actually be helpful for you guys to pick out what you may want, or if you actually like something specific from the haul, all the links will be in the description box specially for you guys, so you can check that as well. So now let me quickly show you guys what I got from Zivame. So the first thing that I picked up for this haul was from Zivame's Activewear brand, which is called Velocity, and for the affordable price that it comes in, the quality is pretty good. These leggings are their Tech-Fluence leggings, and they have a really stretchable and a super breathable material as well. I really like the color combination, which is why I picked it up. This peach and grey looks really pretty, and it also has a design out here. It's also got compression, it has like a compressing material, which makes it perfect for working out, and I got this in the size small. In fact, if you've been following me on Instagram, you know I've been working out pretty consistently right now, which is why another thing that I picked up were another pair of leggings from Zivame. I loved the color. This is like a really nice blue color. It's pretty similar. These are also Tech-Fluence leggings, but they are ribbed from, on your legs. And one really cool thing about these leggings is that they don't give you a camel toe, which is like a major issue for me when I'm working out. And I think for everyone when they go to the gym, camel toes are like major issues, and they have like a specific way that they, your camel toes do not show up, which is great. So I picked up these two leggings from Velocity. So these blue leggings are also available in several other colors. They had a really cool pink as well. So if you guys want to check it out, you will find the links down below. Moving on to the third thing that I picked up was this sports bra. It's of medium impact, so it's got medium compression and it is padded, which is what I love. I prefer padded sports bras. They really give you that support that you need while working out, and it has a pretty cool back, which is what I love about it. So and the closure is this hook closure. So if you prefer these kind of sports bras, you should definitely check this out. The material is super breathable again and really good, and they also have like a net material on top. I got this in the size small. I am going to mention the sizes and the links in the description box below for you guys. I really like the color too. In fact, this was also available in several other colors, I think around 6 to 7 other colors, so do check this out. Next up, I picked up this night suit set from Zivame. I have literally been recommending to everyone who ever asks me about night suits to go check these out from Zivame because they are so comfortable, and these are available in some really cute prints as well. I myself have like 2 other sets from them. If you don't want to pick up sets, they also just have pajamas, so do check that out. This one has a really cute spaghetti noodle bowl print on it, and I really like it. Also, because summers is here, I picked up ones that were shorter in sleeves. You also get long sleeves, and I think you also might find sleeveless, I'm not sure, but long sleeves and shorter sleeves are available. So I would recommend you guys to check out their night suits as well. They're super cute, and I would highly recommend them to you guys. Like I have already mentioned several times before as well, you will find all these links in the description box, and if you use my coupon code Ishita Zivame, you also get a 10% off, which is specially just for my YouTube viewers, so make sure you make use of that. Next up, I picked up a t-shirt bra. In fact, all my lingerie videos, if you'll see, I highly recommend keeping a t-shirt bra, and I always keep picking them up because they get worn out pretty often because of the reason that you wear them almost on a daily basis. So I picked up a really pretty fuchsia color. These were again available in several other colors, but I don't have like a bright fuchsia, so I wanted to pick this up. This is padded, wired, and gives you 3/4 coverage, which makes it really seamless if you wear it under t-shirts or anything fitted on top. These are great for that. So I must suggest all of you to keep one in your lingerie collection. Next up in my haul is actually something that I was excited to try. This is called the Miracle Bra, that is Zivame's innovation. So I was pretty keen on trying this out. It's completely seamless, it's non-wired and non-padded, which makes it super comfortable if you want to wear it all day long. In fact, you can wear it 24/7. And it also has a 3-hook closure at the back, so it makes it very fitting and seamless. If you're looking for something like this, you know, something that you can wear all day long, I would highly suggest you get this. This was also available in a nude color, I believe, so you should check that out. Next in my haul are strapless bras. I picked up one of these black strapless bras. I always feature them in my Zivame hauls because they have pretty good ones, and I do recommend every girl to keep a strapless bra in her lingerie collection. These are great to wear under off-shoulder tops or dresses, and in fact these have a really good grip. You can definitely give these a try. These are also available in white and nude. You can find the links down below. In fact, they also come with straps, so you can turn it into a t-shirt bra as well. They have 3/4 coverage, which is great. They're padded and they're wired as well. Up next, I picked up another sports bra. Like I said, I'm going crazy trying to be consistent with my workouts, so Activewear is something that I'm really looking forward to add to my collection. This has a pretty cool back and I love the color as well. There are tons of colors available in sports bras, and what I love about Zivame is that they provide really cool designs, trendy designs at really affordable stuff, which makes it accessible to everyone. So you don't really have to shell out too much or spend too much out of your pocket money to get good activewear or workout wear for yourself. This is also medium compression, and this again was in the size medium. And lastly, even though I'm not a sari person, I did come across something called sari shapewear on Zivame. So if that is something you've been looking for, I highly suggest you give it a try. It was available in various different colors, so you can pick, you know, one according to the sari that you'll be wearing. It basically compresses your waist and thighs and love handles. It targets those areas as, you know, as a shapewear. So if you are looking for something like that, it would be great to try out. I am going to show you guys on the screen how it looks so you can get an idea, and obviously the links will be mentioned in the description box as well. So that brings us to the end of this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really do hope you guys end up picking up something from this haul. If you do, don't forget to tell me in the comments down below. In fact, Zivame's theme for this sale this time is Sara Zamana GLF Ka Divana, and I couldn't agree more, especially because of their insane discounts going up to 70% off. Their free shipping, cash on delivery, and their 15-day return policy, which makes it super easy and the best time for you guys to shop. In fact, you can also use my coupon code, like I mentioned, Ishita Zivame, for an extra 10% off. And they also have some really cool contests and exciting prizes for you guys on their social media. So download their app to check that out. And that's about it. I'm going to sign off. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video and this haul, and I'll see you guys in my next one.